This 5-minute solution will show you how to link Activision account to YouTube. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to link your Activision account to your YouTube. First of all, open YouTube and make sure to log into your YouTube account. Once done, click on your profile and click on settings. And here click on connected apps and you will get here Activision ID. So to connect your Activision with your YouTube, click on connect and click on connect. Continue. And now you have to log into your Activision account. So enter here your Activision account email address and password and solve the captcha. Click on sign in. And that's it. As you can see, my Activision account and YouTube has been successfully connected. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.